Okay, the software I use to study Japanese is Mnemosyne, and this is the Mnemosyne Project homepage. It's an open source free software for Windows, Linux, and the Mac. I use it on Windows. I even put it on a USB stick, and I can study from home at one of my jobs when I have some free time, internet cafes, anywhere there's a computer. And it's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. I use it to study kanji, I use it to study phrases, I use it to study pictures. I use it to study, and it's amazing. Most of these memorization software, and there's a lot out there, are based on the Lightner system. And I went to Wikipedia flashcard, and it has something about the Lightner system right here. Okay. Basically, there are some boxes, and the idea is that all the new information sits on the left, and you test yourself. So for example, if you had 10 flashcards here, you'd test yourself. You'd flip the first one and decide, do I actually know this? If you know the answer, it goes to the next box to the right. And you keep doing this until you've put all the cards in the box on the right. Okay, so even if you had trouble, you keep putting it back in the stack until you've promoted it to the next box. Okay, the following day, you take these same 10 cards and you test yourself. If you know it again after a day, you put it into the next box. If you forgot it, it goes back to this box, and the cycle continues. So the more that you know the cards, the more it gets promoted to the next box, and if you forget, it goes backwards. So the idea is you concentrate more often on the cards you don't know, and the cards you do know, or you've tested correctly, get reviewed less often. And this area represents your long-term memory, where this area represents now. And with Mnemosyne, you input lists into the software, and the computer does the scheduling for you. So you rate the cards, and if you know it, it goes up, and if you don't know it, it goes back to the beginning until you can successfully remember what the flash cards are. That's the basis of how it works. And in other videos, I'm going to show how to download the software, put it on a USB stick, force the UI to English in case you use different OSs with different languages. I'll show how to create your own content. I'll show how to take content that's already available and import it into Mnemosyne, and I'll show some other tricks if I have time. Okay, that's it. I hope you watched the other videos.